Okay, the Brother se350 computerized embroidery and sewing machine is out of production currently, but Amazon.com under Arts and Crafts and Sewing carries a refurbished one at $319 and two used at about $300 from other sellers. Even used, it's a great deal since the se350 carries an unheard of 4.4 out of 5-star rating. It's easy to see why, since this computerized sewing machine marvel has a huge variety of built-in stitches, a backlight LCD touchscreen, 70 built-in embroidery designs, 5 monogram fonts, and 120 frames. There's automatic threading, cutting, 15 needle positions, and a maximum speed of 710 stitches per minute. In short, it's an outstanding machine. Okay, let's look at some of the negative and positive reviews. Now, I'll start with the negative. Now, really, honestly, what negative reviews? Okay, a few things were out of whack for a few customers of the Brother se350. Some found that the small throat made changing feel difficult. They had to thread by hand, and it posed a problem for those having yards of material to run. The embroidery hoop caused problems breaking for several customers after short periods of use. Brother replaced them quickly, apparently. Others found it not at all suitable for monogramming, as the needle tended to jam numerous times, and the hoop only allowed for letters 1 inch or smaller. The computer programming problems for the monogramming were solved with additional cards, but they cost the customer nearly $100. And a few novice embroiderers also had trouble with the teeth chewing up the fabric, and one had to dismantle the bobbing mechanism completely to untangle and rethread. One customer said the machine, when it goes bad, goes really bad. Okay, now positive reviews. Many sewing novices gave solidly ecstatic reviews to the Brother se350, calling it great for beginners. I recommend this machine to anyone who wants to learn embroidery. You can't go wrong, cite one user. Other users pronounced the stitching perfect and praised its ability to sew heavy fabric from drapes to jeans. Many loved the option of not using the foot pedal, since the machine virtually sews and embroiders on its own, cite some users. I have nothing negative to say, reported another happy customer. I love this machine. One customer called it awesome for novices and loved the high-tech features, as she assessed the internet for the million-odd patterns available, and made, among other things, beautiful homemade embroidered towels for Christmas gifts. You can't go wrong with this machine, she bragged, and most of its positive reviews echoed this high level of satisfaction. This machine's a joy to use, one summed up. Okay, our conclusion. Now, the votes appear to be overwhelmingly on the positive side, where the customer's tone is invariably enthused and happy. After all, it's rare. It's a rare thing to get ratings above 4.4 on Amazon, and there were, it should be noted, absolutely no 1-star reviews, and only 1 2-star. We can therefore join the majority in an enthusiastic recommendation for the Brother se350. It seems to be both a perfect tool for beginners at embroidery to impress those whose grandmothers had only hand sewing machines, and to thrill those experienced sewers who have no problem combining sewing and embroidering with advanced internet technology and design.